Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily start a thread in Slack. So, of course, you may want to head over to slack.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, select a specific channel that you want to start a thread into. Say, for example, we're going to open this new channel. And for us to be able to start a thread, we're going to first choose a specific message in this channel. Say, for example, I'm going to add a new message, then send it now. And for us to make a new thread, you're going to need to engage on this specific message and do activities that will make the system detect that this is a thread. Say, for example, we're going to click on this three dot icon or more actions. And from here, we're just going to start a huddle in thread just by clicking on it. And a huddle is now started from this message. So we're just going to leave this. And when we switch on threads, you can see that the message and the activity is now added on threads. So that's how you can easily start a thread in Slack. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!